Case study of how easy it is to work with Kiva. I'm disappointed that even with a 95% success rate, there is a slow but measurable decay in the capital that's available. With about a 2% nudge on their rate of return from the loans, this could be a self-sustaining, genuine growth opportunity. It still does a lot of good, but with about a 2% nudge, it could do a lot better. So I've been studying this for about 5 years. Seeded it with $1,000. Have ended up lending and relending about 5,900. 209 loans made. At first, I started donating to them, but that was decaying the capital available, and I think they got enough sponsorship, so I've stopped that. I've sent loans to 35 different countries. Less than 5% fail, meaning that they don't repay the whole amount of the loan. But there's a little fee in there, even with 95% success rate out of 209 completed. The $1,000 has decayed to 538 plus 312, so there's about $850 of capital left. So the net result of 200, when you add the open loans, there are about 250 total been made. So that's a large sample size, but there's been a steady decay. So about $50 of that was some contributions I made to Kiva. So it's really about $100 have decayed out of a series of loans that are 95% successful. So that just says that the amount of interest being charged them and the repayment is making this a non-positive expectancy system. And so this is, although it does a lot of good, this should be seen as a charitable contribution rather than a self-sufficient enterprise. But with a 2% change in the rate of return, so increasing the marginal return rate by 2% would make this a self-sufficient thing. And now instead of $1,000 becoming $900, it could be $1,200, and then that would generate many more loans in the future. So their business model is almost there, but there's better ways to get this done. So here's just how easy it is. I'll just run you through well, actually, here's the numbers behind all this. The countries that I've lent to, areas it's affected, the different field partners and activities and whatnot. Snapshot of the loans that I've made. Summary of repayments, including the ones that are still out. So here's the simple method of getting this done. So I want to, let's see. So I'm going to go in, I'm working on Africa on this round. And I'd just go in increments of 25. And then I like sorting by how much they have to go. So that gets them completed. So I got about, how much was it, 500. So I got about the top 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think that should get us pretty close. Basket. Oh, you dirty rat. Wasn't signed in. God dang it.